What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're hopefully gonna play with Rango a little bit here. Maybe even try to get it running, but look at this. There's ice in the cover. Oh my god. Oh. You know what? If you're a kid, do you guys ever love just playing with ice when you're a kid, like walking on it and falling through it? I feel like that was like the best thing in my childhood, was walking in the woods on the ice and falling through it. Now, it was not deep, it was just, you know, it was probably good up to your knees, and it was just cold, and it's just, you didn't want to get wet, but once you're wet, you're just glad to go and jump in the water. But till then, it was just like, no, don't fall on the ice, and then your friend pushes you, or he breaks the ice around you, and yeah, that's good times. I love those times. Got Rango tied up here. We had a really windy day, so I gotta get her all on tied up, and then we're gonna see if we can get her running today. And yeah, the only thing we gotta do to get her running is the transmission lines are spewing out oil every time we start it up, so can't start it because, not that it doesn't run, but it's because the transmission oil is gonna go everywhere and kill the transmission, so we don't want that. All right, well, here's our devastation to Rango. So here's our lines here. Now what we're gonna try to do, oh, you know what? I have an idea. It might just work. All right, let's get this thing off, and then I think we actually get running today. All right, so I get this guy off, and then we'll be going good. When in doubt, hammer out. Oh, that's out. When in doubt, hammer out, right? Okay. When in doubt, hammer out, right? Alright, so what we're gonna do is bring this line here. And if you look down here, you see there's these two lines with just these two things there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna route this side to that side right there, just so we can just stop pissing out our transmission fluid here, which already looks like it's going bad. Doesn't look as red as it used to. Actually, what am I doing? I'm gonna take off this one first, because this is the one that was bent up and everything. Alright, there's one, down for the next. Alright, so I cut it. I just smacked myself with this clamp and it hurt. Don't ever get smacked with these clamps. Apparently, it was like a mousetrap almost. Oh, similar. Not as bad. The mousetrap is 10 times worse, but. Alright. Well, that should be good for that, and that should be good for that. Ow. Alright. Now let's just fill this up with some transmission fluid, because I know it needs some fluid, so. Let's get it filled up slightly, and then we'll get it running. So I'm going to start with a quart. A quart definitely came out, so. Alright, so I'm going to start with a quart. Dump some nice fresh blood into the system. Now, it's not gonna run long, because there's no alternator, there's nothing, it's just the battery running this thing, so But at least we'll get it running, just get warmed up a little bit. Hopefully get some water to pump out of this thing. Because, turn her on. And will she crank? Woo! Be cold! Technically there's no water in it, but technically there's no water, but I don't know, I don't think it all drained out, so so I just put Rango back to bed. At least got her running. She sounds good. Awesome, awesome. Just need a lot of work to do to her before we get her going. Now, I don't know if I'm using this truck for the Danger Rain next year. This might just become some type of truck we use around in a drugable boat around here, off-roading it, maybe. Not quite sure. Maybe we'll take it to some trails. I don't know. Maybe we'll do something stupid with it and hopefully not get killed in it. But, well, that has a roll cage, so just wear a helmet and stuff and we're good to go. But yeah, so let me know in the comment down below if you guys want to see this truck at Danger Ranger again, or would you rather see a whole new build and make it even better, and this becomes just a freaking test dummy of a truck. Because I have some plans for this truck to see if I can improve the Danger Ranger race for us to make us win. It involves a transmission. I don't know if it goes against the rules or not, but I have some ideas and I want to make them work. But we'll get into that later on when we figure out if we're going to use this truck for a Danger Ranger or not. Either way, we're using for a Danger Ranger. If you're going to use a Danger Ranger, or we're going to get another truck for a Danger Ranger, and maybe do another month build. Because by the time I probably want to spend that money, it'll probably be 2 months before a Danger Ranger, and we'll just have to shove it all back together again. But yeah, so on that note, everyone, listen, you guys enjoyed the channel, enjoyed this video, leave a like on this video. Comment down below if you want to see this truck in Danger Ranger or not, or you just want to see just a totally whole new new build and maybe go faster, because KSR just uploaded a video and he explained it, which, you know, I noticed that a while ago, and you know, this is the quickest thing. I didn't go that down to specifics. I looked up what was the best Power Ranger. Oh, that's what we'll name the other one, Power Ranger. But so we're probably in a new one. I want to win this race. It does really not much for me, but we're gonna win the race because I want to win the race. And listen, like I said, guys, leave a like down below. Comment down below if you want to see a new Ranger or stick with the old Ranger. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do whatever takes to follow your dreams, and don't let them get in your way.